Okay, so this amazes me. This is an old toy of mine that I fished out of my parents' basement at Christmas time. Brought it back here. And it's from 1978, give or take. And I would have got it, probably right around there, 78, 79, something like that. Played with it for a few years, and eventually it went into storage downstairs. You can get it open here. So here it is. It's in good shape. Now, the thing that just blows my mind, this thing would have been sitting down there for decades. A really long time. And you can see there's a little discoloration, a little corrosion around there. Battery's still in there. Now check this out. That still works. That has to be 20 or a 30-year-old battery in there. So I'm going to see if I can get this open. This might be hard to do one-handed. Well, there you go. Duracell. Oh, check out the corrosion. But, and that thing still works. Mallory. Duracell alkaline battery. Is there a date on this thing? No idea. It's been in there a while, but that is crazy that is still working. Still got enough current to run everything.